Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching NitroIntel. They say that legends don't die. And today I'm standing right here next to the Volkswagen Polo GT TSI in this gorgeous red color. This isn't any other hatchback, it's the OG hot hatch which started it all for the Indian auto enthusiasts. While the other cars focus more on tech features and ADAS, this car keeps it raw, fun and fast. Let's find out if this beast still hits the sweet spot in 2025. Finished in solid sunset red color, the Polo GT TSI still looks clean, tight and timeless. The GT badge adds that sporty edge and those dual-tone alloys gives the car a sharp stance. No unnecessary cuts or overstyled panels here, just clean German design that still turns heads in 2025. So before we resume the video, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my friend Fazbeam, a.k.a. Faisal Khan, who inspired me to start my own vlogging channel. If you haven't followed him yet, I'll leave the link in the description below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel NitroIntel. So guys, quick thing I wanted to share. I personally use the Campure 100% organic camphor fragrance for my car. It provides three benefits. Firstly, it's a natural mosquito repellent. It removes bad odors from the car. And thirdly, it calms down your senses, all without any chemicals. So in case you wish to buy this, I'll leave the link in the description below. Do buy it from the link. Inside the Polo, it gets a classic all black interior. It gets a flat bottom steering wheel and overall the interior feels solidly well put together. Talking about the features, it gets an auto-dimming rear view mirror followed by a 8-inch infotainment system which gets Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and the screen feels very easy to use. It also gets automatic climate control and the AC works fabulously well. Talking about the transmission, it gets 6-speed torque converter gearbox with the option to shift in manual as well. Alright, so talking about the rear seat comfort, this car doesn't offer much space at the back. It does get two seats with scooped out seat backs. It doesn't get an armrest or an AC vent. However, it gets an adjustable headrest as well. And overall, I think two people can sit comfortably on short to medium trips. So that's pretty much about it. However, I'd like to point out that there are some missing features on this car, such as the lack of a reverse parking camera. It also misses out on the push button start stop and wireless entry. But hey, it's not to complain about because this car is meant for pure driving pleasure. Now let's find out how is this car to drive. So guys, it's time to start driving this beast. Let's put it onto sports mode, turn off the air conditioning and turning off the hazard indicator, and it's safe now. Let's get going. And off we go. The engine redlines at 6000 RPM and in no time we have already touched 100 and we are cruising at about 120 kilometers per hour. Oof, this is a mad beast. Talking about the drive of this beast, the Volkswagen Polo GT TSI is powered by a 1-liter turbocharged petrol engine. It's a 3-cylinder engine which produces about 110 bhp at 5000 rpm and 175 Newton meters of torque at 4000 rpm. Due to the huge amount of torque on offer, the city rides are quite easy and highway driving is very solid. The suspension, however, is on the firmer side, which makes the car feel connected more to the ground and offers more confidence to the driver. Now talking about the mileage, this car has a claimed mileage of about 14 to 16 kilometers per liter on a mix of city and highway driving. What makes this car very special is that it can be modified to a large extent, right from GTI body styling kits to performance tunes. You name it, this car has got it all. Let me know which is your favorite modification in the comment section below. guys, this car comes as courtesy to Miss Vanita, who is my neighbor and also the owner of this fabulous car. She has told me that even after driving this for over 4 years and about roughly 33,000 kilometers, the car still feels fun to drive and very solidly put together. So if you guys are looking for a hot hatch under 10 lakhs, so look no further. The Volkswagen Polo GT TSI is the perfect choice. And guys, if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So thank you, bye bye, until the next time.